Hello everyone, I just want to show you a quick video on how to write electron configuration or how to draw orbital diagrams. So as you can see, I've got two examples over here for boron atom and silicon atom. So if you can see the atomic number in the corner, which will represent the number of protons and electrons for the particular atom over here. So for this boron atom, there will be 5 protons and 5 electrons. So here's how we're going to put the electrons over the shell if you want to draw orbital diagrams. So if you have 5, then you're going to have to start putting them on the inner shell. But you have to bear in mind that the inner shell, the first shell over here, could only hold maximum of 2 electrons, so you're going to have to work your way out. So for the leftover electron, you're going to put it on the second shell, and that is your orbital diagram. And for silicon, I'm going to try to use something that has 14 electrons so that you can see how I'm going to be putting onto the third shell. So here, first shell is 2 electrons, and second shell would hold a total of 8 electrons maximum. So you're going to put 8 electrons, and you've got 4 electrons left over, which you will put onto the third shell. And so here are the number of electrons that they could hold for the first, second, third, and fourth. So first electron could only hold 2 electrons maximum. Second could only hold 8 electrons maximum. Third could hold up to 18 electrons, and fourth will hold up to 32 electrons. And so here's how to write electron configuration. So what you're doing is you're just writing how many electrons on each shell by using comma right in the middle. So 2 for the first and 3 for the second. So electron configuration for boron atom would be 2, 3. And for silicon would be 2, 8 on the second shell. So 8 will go in the middle, and then 4 on the outside the third shell. So 2, 8, 4 would be your electron configuration for your silicon atom. Have a go at the worksheet and let me know if you need any help. Good luck.